Hey gang, welcome back to your review channel. Today I'm looking at a Betta pool skimming cleaning tool. This is fantastic. It skims around the whole pool all day. It's solar powered. You don't have to worry about batteries. You don't have to worry about it's 24 hours a day. It just keeps running during the day. It's got a solar panel on top. Easy to clean, easy to maintain. The best part of this, it's all automated. It goes by itself. Has little sensors. It sees the walls. It turns. It adjusts. It backs up. It goes forward. It does all kinds of cool stuff. This is a really nice pool skimmer. It's got an anti-stuck, so it won't get stuck in the foam with noodles. It actually sees it. Again, 24/7 continuous battery powered with solar energy. That is absolutely amazing. You can see how it's going around the pool. I absolutely love this thing. I've had it for a couple of years now. Fully charged takes around 5 or 6 hours and it runs pretty much all the time. Even without direct sunlight, it still operates. Fantastic. Now this Betta is really well anti-stuck, like I tell you. It's just I've been using it and I absolutely love it. It goes around and just finds the little leaves and the little dirt. And I'm going to give an example. There's a little dirt right there. It's coming up on it. You can see how it's coming up on this little leaf. And I'll pull, leaves fall in, little bugs, things like that. It's designed with a UV resistant coating and the materials. Protects against damage, sun damage, which is really important. Again, it's got the little bumpers, so it goes all around. I'm telling you, this thing is absolutely awesome. You better get this one. Get it, Betta. This thing is awesome. You can see how it's going to get to the wall. You can see it's sensing the wall. It's starting to turn. You get those two propellers. It basically just drives itself like a little boat. Absolutely fantastic. You are going to love this item. I guarantee it. It works every time. No issues whatsoever. The company backs everything with a great warranty, and it absolutely just works exactly as intended. Now I'm going to show you one more example. I'm coming up to another little bug there, or the little leaf. You're going to see it's just going to go scoop it up, and bam, and now that's gone. All right, guys, I think this is definitely worth it. Go ahead and pick it up. I think you're going to absolutely love it. It's going to save you hours and hours of cleaning. Thanks for watching.